Okay, still on the 62 triple O. These are the original Grover StaTites, and they stay tight, kind of rough. Not too bad on backlash, actually pretty much on par with new StaTites. Not my favorite machines. Sorry, I'm hungry. These things were pretty simple. No spring washers, no bushings, no nothing. But they are. Alright, I'll switch to the old eyes. Ain't what they used to be. You probably can't see that, but there's a little play. There's a split right here, so we can squeeze these, and if there's any play, oh, there is, we can actually twist this to take up the backlash bit. I don't use pliers for this. I prefer this little vise, a little machinist vise that I made 38 years ago in school. Still use it pretty much daily. And bear with me, I'm not used to working with an audience. There we go. Get the side on another little extra snug. Snug it down. I can barely turn that. Give it a few seconds. Let the metal kind of relax. Otherwise, it'll just spring back really quick. Which is also why I don't like to use. There, that's snugged it up. Want to catch the. I'm just going to give it a little twist. I can see they're not aligned already. Oh, that's nice. Zing, zing. Now I reassemble it with a little bit of precision instrument grease here. A little bit goes a long way. Somebody's probably cringing, going, no! We all have our opinions. They're allowed to say no. But I say, yeah, a little lube will do you. See, I'm not slathering it on there. This isn't I'm not packing wheel bearings. Crying out loud. Two. I'm also not going to crank down on this very much. I mean, it's not Waverly's, and it's not Waverly smooth. It's not name your favorite tuner smooth, but it's better than it was 3 minutes ago. That from 90 degrees. That's not bad for backlash. Very usable. Good enough for the girls I date. And that's how we rebuild a 58-year-old Grover Sta Tite. Yeah, we could replace them, but if you saw the other video where I pulled a neck, You already know that it's got plenty of patina, character. We're not going to change these. Be good. Thanks for tuning in.